Hey everyone, today I'm showing you 7 quick exercises that train your entire body at home with zero equipment needed. Whether you're short on time or just getting started, this full body routine has got you. Let's dive in. First up, burpees. A full body powerhouse hitting quads, core, chest, and shoulders. Keep your core tight and land softly. Next, squats. One of the most effective compound moves. Go for air squats or level up to jump squats if you're feeling strong. Push-ups target chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Modify by using your knees or a wall if needed. Everyone can do this. Time for planks, the ultimate core builder. Try the classic or switch to a side plank to hit those obliques. Mountain climbers kick up your heart rate while strengthening your core. Drive those knees with control, keep shoulders stable. Thrusters combine squat to overhead press. No weights, use water bottles or just mimic the motion. Full body engagement. Last move, reverse lunges. Add a twist toward your front knee for extra core work. Step back, balance, and engage everything. Let's put it together. 30 seconds each exercise, 15 seconds rest. That's your complete 7-minute full body blast. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Quality over quantity. Modify as needed and listen to your body. And there you have it, 7 swift, effective exercises to hit your whole body at home. You've got everything you need right where you are. Like if this helped you, subscribe for more home workouts and share with someone who needs this motivation. Let's keep moving together. You've got this.